Hello, a new campaign targeting Linux systems and IoT devices uses a backdoor to mine cryptocurrency. The campaign also installs a patched version of OpenSSH on affected devices, allowing threat actors to hijack SSH credentials, move laterally within the network, and conceal malicious SSH connections. According to the company's research, a significant part of the reason for its popularity among threat actors lies in the security flaws of IoT devices. These remote code execution vulnerabilities have a combination of low complexity and high impact, making them an irresistible target for threat actors. This latest campaign uses a combination of misconfigured Linux hosts a brute force to gain initial access, following which the threat actors moved to disable shell history and fetch a trojanized version of OpenSSH from a remote server. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.